I want to know you watch this CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel. Really do appreciate everything that you do to contribute towards CoinsKid here. It's amazing. Thank you once again for all the really nice comments on all the videos, for all of you that are taking time out of your day to comment on them videos. I really do appreciate that. And obviously the likes, sharing is caring. I see so many people sharing it on Twitter. I don't even really go on Twitter that much, and I'm getting loads of followers, so that's amazing. If you do want to jump to my Twitter, all the links are in each video description. Okay, so we're building a fantastic community there in CoinsKid. We've got really like-minded crypto heads over there, so to speak, and a lot of experts in the field of technical analysis. And if you drop a question in there in the Telegram group, 9 times out of 10 you see it answered. So that's great. That's golden. It's all good. It's all good. What a brilliant community. And once again, we had a really nice chat last night with a good bunch of people in there, bouncing off each other with ideas, and you know, it's all good. It's all good. Basically, it's golden. So right now, jumping into XRP, we are coming up, a particular pattern is being created right here, and if this pattern plays out, it'd be really nice. It'll be a really nice pump for XRP. You know that we've got this pump off here that we're expecting, okay, because yesterday we said that you're potentially forming this little bit of a bull flag, and it's coming back on itself, and you can see it's starting to pick up, and it looks like it's breaking out, and it looks like it's coming up to test this key level of resistance right there. So what I want to make you aware of, if you are new to this particular channel in this video, within this we're expecting wave 1, okay. We're going through Elliott wave theory, and we do project that XRP will like be $10 plus, but again, that's another video. That's earlier in the series of these XRP videos. Check it out on the playlist, you'll find it, okay. XRP is a buy and go to the beach project, basically. So right now, in the current time frame, what we're anticipating is if XRP fails to break this high, we are expecting a deep C wave pullback down to this particular level here, which acted as a multi-year resistance, okay. So down at 75 cents. When XRP was up here, okay, it was trading up here, we called for a wave 2 pullback down to this particular level and put some bids in. That played out, okay. So what we're not necessarily hoping, but what we're analysing is that this is wave A, potentially come up and make a wave B, which is potential same high or lower high, then a wave C pullback down to this particular level here. Now the only way that that'll be invalidated, as I keep outlining, is if this high is broken. If this high is broken, we've already gone for the ABC correction just here in this little pullback here. So that could be A, B, C, and now continuation on wave 3 for XRP. So this is something that else could be in play, but obviously you need to see this high broken to invalidate the larger ABC structure that we are targeting on the channel there, because obviously we don't want it, because it means it's a bloodbath. But what a golden opportunity to get involved in XRP there, because it is marching onwards. It is going to go to that 1618 extension there and the 1414. So it's golden. It's golden basically for continuation. So, but right now you've got a pattern that's emerging. Right now there's a pattern that's emerging, a very, very bullish pattern, okay. It's a reversal pattern. And obviously, you know, we target the double bottoms, and that's played out there. That beautiful trade up, and it made fruition. But it said on the 1.6, the golden ratio there, the 1.618, the 0.68 golden ratio, which I will bring up in a minute, because that's a key level of interest and resistance that we do need to target, because that is actually the target that this is coming up against. So what I'll do, I'll drop that in just for clarification right now, so you can see what XRP is doing. It's basically retracing, okay? It's basically retracing to its all-time high here. Well, I say all-time high, I mean a local high. I do apologise. It's local high that is created, where it's falling back, it's found a key level of support, and it's starting to march on. But as you can see, like I said to you in so many videos, you've come up against a 0.618, which is the golden ratio. Now, right now, if you start to get through that and break that, like I've said to you in so many videos, that's a big tick to attack that high and potentially breaking that high and marching forward to that particular price prediction just there, $2.73 for XRP. So that's good, okay. If it does break that and it gets through this golden ratio and starts to attack the 0.786 and then gets through the high, you're looking at that. But full transparency at all times, okay, unless you start to break that, you're going to roll over and then potentially form that C wave and come back deeper, okay. So and then create a reversal wave here where you lose this key level of resistance and start to lose support, and then you come down and basically invalidate this impulsive wave up, and then you're looking at the C wave pullback. So right now you can see XRP's come down and it's starting to come back up, basically retracing to its all-time local high. Sorry. So on the way, it's going to have resistance, and you can see that particular level of resistance, just like we outlined. Go short at that particular level when we were saying it coming up here. Go short, and it came back. It's bounced off support. It's holding, and you can see what it's doing. It's slowly creeping up and it's making these high lows, so it looks relatively bullish for continuation, just like we outlined in yesterday's video for this impulsive and corrective wave. The potential price target up there of like $1.68, which will take you through to 0.786, which will be golden, because it means that you're getting through the golden ratio. You're starting to march onwards and upwards and attack this local high, and obviously get to that price prediction right there for XRP. But if it fails to do so, then you're going to roll over and potentially come down to the C wave pullback. So it is really, really crucial, because right now you've got a pattern as well, which is confluence to the fact that you are going to see that pump if you break this golden ratio. So right now you've got this inverse head and shoulders pattern going on right here. Do you see this? So you've come down, okay, you've made a bottom. But this, you came down, you made these levels of resistance just here, and then you went lower, you created the head, and you start to come back up. You've retested the level of resistance that you can't get through the golden ratio, and you start to come back at it, and now you're attacking it again. So if you do start to see XRP get through that, you've got a target off the head and shoulders here. So it's the neckline down to the highest point, okay, which is the head. And you can see that if XRP does break through that level of resistance, the golden ratio, that's confluence to the fact that you are going to march on and attack that high. So this is a really, really crucial time. You need to keep an eye on this. If you start seeing XRP close above $1.45, okay, $1.45, and then back testing it as support, because that's also what you need to see. If you start seeing it do something like this, getting rejected, could roll over to wave C, okay? But if it starts to break it like this and back test the support, you could see XRP march on to that price prediction right there. And from there, if you wait for confirmation, that's a beautiful trade of around 87% for XRP. And it basically means that the Elliott wave theory, okay, the wave 2 pullback is done. And we've had that A, B, C correction just there. And then this is the continuation of wave 3 forming, which is going to take us up to those highs. So this is why we're always transparent with you in this channel. This is a very, very, very critical time for XRP right now, this particular level here, because if this breaks, wow, it's off to the races. And obviously if it gets rejected, then you kind of come back further. So do keep an eye on this particular level, and this is why I've made this video first today and put it out there for everyone that's following XRP, because it's really important. If it gets rejected, roll. If it breaks it, back to the support, wow, you could be off to the races here for XRP. So that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Again, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay tuned. I'll just give you a couple of trades. Obviously, if you start to see it break this level of resistance right now and back test of support, just go long, sit in your long, because you're looking at appreciation in my book. You will get a little bit of a rejection at this high. Obviously, that's normal. Back test it, fall to level of resistance, come up against it, and hopefully get through, because you can see the pattern at play is valid until invalidated away. And if you start to break that, then that's your target, and it's above the local high that you're targeting. So that's good. That's golden. It's confluence basically. And then again, obviously, if you start to get rejected here, you start to see like Bitcoin roll over or something like that, then obviously look at a potential short, at least down to this particular level where it actually formed the impulsive wave up there. So that's XRP. Do take care, everybody. Stay strong, stay safe. Come on, XRP, show us some volatility right now. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.